ang dami niyang freebies. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, this is going to be like an art attack kind of video. This is the birthday of Jungkook. I'm going to show you guys a DIY of your BTS album wall decor. I am going to share with you guys on how you could make your album wall decor for less than 500 pesos. Actually, super mura siya kung talagang resourceful lang kayo, and kung meron naman kayo ng gamit pang art bahay. So, let's get started. We have here this package. This is from MERAKI. Naghanap talaga ako ng mabibilhan ko ng nagpiprint ng ganong pictures and ganong size, kasi hindi naman ako magaling kung paano mag-resize ng picture. Wala rin naman akong printer dito sa bahay. So, I found this shop in Shopee. They also have Facebook, Twitter. I'll put all the link in the description box. So, super satisfied ako sa quality ng mga napili ko dito. And for only 20 pesos each. All you need to do is just send the message to the seller. Meron mga chat box doon, so you can send the pictures of the albums that you want. I'm gonna show you 15 pieces yung in-order ko, pero may sobra siyang isa. So thank you so much. I got this for 300 pesos. Binayaran ko lang for shipping fee going to Manila with 50 pesos. So, yeah. And ito yung masaya dito. Super thank you kasi ang dami niyang freebies. Ayan. I have photo cards. Diba? Sobrang nakakatuwa. And super good quality ng print nila. And these are all for free. And meron pa ako dito. Ito. Ayan. I'm going to put all the information, the link for their account, so that you guys can check it in the description box. Also, for the other materials that we also need scissors, double-sided foam tape. Also have the double-sided tape, yung manipis lang, and cutter. Yung board ng ating album, it would be this. So, I got this for 35 pesos each. If you guys have this at home, mas maliles pa yung magagastos nyo. And also, kung may printer kayo sa bahay, and you guys know how to like do this stuff, then less pa yung magagastos nyo. Or baka nga wala pa. But, for mga tulad ko na walang idea or walang skill para sa ganyan, you might want to check MERAKI print shop. Let's get started. Since konti nga lang yung kakasya sa wall ko, yung siya lang dito is 12 pieces lang. So, yung ibang cover albums, bibigay ko na lang siya sa kapatid ng friend ko since she's also in army. So, for this, kunin natin ito. Ididikit ko yung printout. Ito na yung pinakamanipis na nabili ko. I'm not sure if may manipis pa dito, pero ito na daw yung pinakamanipis. So, kukuha tayo ng double-sided tape. Because magdidikit lang tayo dito ng mga double-sided tape. So, this is also fun to do. You can do it with your friends. You can do it with your sisters, your siblings. Ayan. And then, lalagay natin siya dito. So, ganyan siya. So, gagawin ko din siya sa iba, and I'll show it to you guys later. Alright you guys, so this is how it would look like. Kakat na lang natin siya into squares para medyo naka-embos na siya. So let's do it! So the first side would be like this. I'm going to cut this into squares na. for you guys na mga bata, I would really suggest na mag-ask kayo na help sa parents nyo or sa kung sino mo nakakaganda na kasama nyo. So, medyo mahirap gumamit ng cutters is to prevent accidents. So, ika-cut din ulit natin ito. So, there we have it now. Just clean this sides. Tapos, kailangan yung pagka-cut nyo is talagang sagad dito or sagad dito sa kanya, dito sa side niya. So, para hindi makita yung styre natin. Ayan. We have here the dynamite. So for you guys to see, I'm gonna do it this way. I really love this album. Sino bang hindi? Kahit hindi ARMY, gustong-gusto yung kantang Dynamite. So I have here now the album covers for the BTS wall decors. The next step for this is to put it on the wall that we have here. So this is the wall that I'm going to decorate. So ito lang yung space na meron na ako. And say hello to RJ. So let's get started. What to do is to put the tape at the back. Put a little space. For the next line here, I have this one, and this one. And the last three I have here, this, and this, and this. Camouflage tong side na to, makatuloy siyang parang bitin, but it's not. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you an idea on how you could do your BTS album wall decor, and also I really recommend for you guys to do it with your siblings or with your friends. It is really fun. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!